Guys, we got a lot in store today. We're going to be all over the farm and the ranch. We're going to replace these belts, put this, remove this, place the sprocket. Bunch of fun stuff, especially when it's 100 and something degrees. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. And thank you for stopping by at South Texas Cattle and Hay. Life is precious. Don't cut it short. Make the call. Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but there's thousands of them flying here. You can see them against the backdrop there, but up in the air here, there's thousands of them, and they're still flocking out. I mean, they're coming out by hundreds. They're in that tube under that cylinder. They must have been there for a while. I guess last time I cut, but you can't see them. But they're swarming by the thousands. Oh my. There's a little bit of a picture there. That's just that little spot. They're all over the place. I don't dare get out of this tractor. You know what? Thank God for cabin air tractors, because if you didn't have these, you'd be in a lot of trouble. They're coming out by the thousands. I mean, they're out there, guys. Hopefully the queen will come out, or she's dead, and that's it, you know. But down there, there's hundreds and hundreds of them. All right, we'll keep you posted. Well, guys, I'm having too much fun. Luckily, I'm inside my building here on the shade. Just pull this sprocket. And let me tell you, pulling this key right here was a burger. I used the wedge on this hatchet and then hammered it, just kept pounding it, and it finally came out loose. I just removed this piece, which goes right here to remove this. Guys, look at this. I don't know what the heck it hit, but it hit something hard. Look at that. It's been like that for a while, but we're gonna get it fixed. All right, keep you posted. I remove the tensioner. Now we're gonna impact right. All right, so I'm gonna remove these belts. Voila, just like that. Some belts appeared after $70. That's right, 70 bucks, man. What's a mother to do? All right, let me unravel these. So I'm holding the phone with one hand. All right, let's put the pulley there. Well, here's the pulley, and $74. Yeah, amazing, isn't it? I had it in a bag here. I picked it up probably about 6-7 months ago. Finally getting to it. All right, we'll keep you posted. Now we'll pull up on the belt tensioner here. Get that all tightened up. All right, let me just tighten it up a little bit, guys, and let's see if I can tighten it up by hand. Just enough to get by. All right. Thank God for impacts. All right, so I just wedged this 2x4 back there to put a little tension on this, just enough to get this screw in. And this screw is tensioner screw. All right, so once you got that screw in there, that'll help you tension that that belt. All right, so the tensioner's on. These feel much better now. That's tight. I'm gonna put this thing all back together. This is gonna go right there, and it just slides right in. This is a wobbler, and that's pretty much it. Now we'll put the sickle bar back on, and we'll tie it back in. We'll put the wobbler back together. Keep you posted. All right, washer, pin, and I'll open that up in a little while. I got the wobbler back in. We're going to tighten up real slow just to get them, make sure that they're aligned, which they are. Done. Put the sickle back on and we're ready to rock and roll. All right, so I lined the sickle bar there and just screwing them in to get it going. And we're ready to tighten them down. It's hard doing stuff with one hand, guys. Done. Done. We're done, guys. Just gotta adjust the chain there, the tension on that, and we're done. All right, keep you posted. All right, guys, got the key back in. Now we're just gonna slide this back. Man. So now you know you got to remove this piece to get the belts on. It's a bugger. Whew. Tired, guys. It was hot today. I wonder what the heck I hit here. Yep, got it up. Guys, if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. All right, guys, we tapped this back in and it looks like I'm in the money. It's got a groove for the bolt, and the key will hold it in place, of course. All right, let me crank it, let everything get loose a little bit, and then we'll readjust everything.